Adi Stores and Dash. Please come on, Rafe. Very good. Clapping for him. Next, Aman from 2 class. Please come on. Dash is small and light weighted device. Fill करें बच्चे से. USB. Very good. Clap for her. Next, Haram from 2 class. Please come on. Dash and R. Fill करें बच्चे से. USB. Next, Shoza, please come on. Very good. Clap for her. Next, Ifra, please come on. Very good. Clap for her.
Redesigning education for a better today and the best tomorrow.